All right, and welcome to another episode of JPTV Tech Talks. We are talking about printing again today. We are going to show you, we did contact sheets yesterday, so today my video is going to be on contact sheets again. Ha! But we're actually going to do a smaller amount of photos this time. We're going to be able to highlight those photos a little bit better, make them bigger, so you can see them just that much easier. So we will jump right into the tutorial here. If you go to your Windows File Explorer, I've got things already loaded up here on my computer, or you can go to this PC, depending on how you have your shortcuts set up. It will help you to find your photos. I'm going to head to my Student F drive here, go into my Comtech 2 folder like I was in yesterday. This time though, instead of picking all the photos in this folder, we are going to select just 4 of them. So one of your assignments, assignment 2, is to do portrait photos of yourself. So in this case, we're just going to do 4 random photos. Now you might ask, how the heck are you selecting just 4 individual photos? Well, instead of holding the Shift key on my keyboard, which selects everything from the first picture that I select to the last, if I hold the Control key on the PC, now this is a PC keyboard, so I don't know the shortcuts for Mac, but on a PC, if you hold the Control key, you can now select specific photos. So I'll pick this picture of the flowers, my wife and daughter. Let's pick this one of my daughter running along, and this one of this glacier here. So these 4 photos now are going to be part of your contact sheet. We're going to print them 4 up on a page, it would be called. In the printing industry, when you're talking about how many things are on a page, you have 2 up, 4 up, 10 up, 16 up. Depending on how many items you want on each individual page would determine how you lay out your page. So in this case, for assignment 2, in the photography section, you're doing 3 different everything's backwards here. 3 different portraits, and you want to have space on the page for those 3. You're going to label them. One would be your selfie, one would be your portrait taken by another person, and the third one is your sort of self-portrait, but your face is not shown. So those 3 items would need to be printed. So I'm going to pick 4 because it's more even. We'll jump back here. Picking 4 allows me to right-click again, just like we did yesterday with the contact sheets, hit print, brings up the same dialog box. And normally by default you'd have full page photos, but in this case we want to again make sure our color printer is selected, 8.5 by 11. Our quality is our standard quality. We have plain paper, and now if you scroll down here you get this awesome layout that has 4 pictures on the same page. So they're going to be nice and big, easy to see, and easy to present for this initial assignment. We will go back later on and we will be taking these 4 photos, putting them into InDesign, working with a more of a magazine style layout, and completing your final photo portfolio. But for right now, we just want to get these pictures finished, handed in, so that I can track whether you're completing the assignments or what's going on. So without further ado, let's finish this up. If we hit print at the bottom here, it's going to export that to our printer. I am going to grab it off the printer for us. And now that we have that, the last step, all you have to do is to simply put your name on it. Same way you did yesterday, you are going to just write onto it. In this case, it's not going to be assignment number 1 anymore. Now it would be assignment number 2. I can't show you the thing that printed out of the printer because the printer is actually printing some other documents right now. So my job will eventually print, maybe in 20 minutes or so when it's done. But right now, this is what you've got. So hopefully that all makes sense. Super simple print dialog box right within Windows, and we can get those assignments handed into the hand-in bin, which is right here, and it should be lots of fun. Okay. Till next time, JPTV, have fun, JP Tech Talks. like us, subscribe us. Hopefully every day we're going to keep posting new videos. I'm going to get way better at this. It's going to be so much fun to keep learning together and keep bringing you more information with regards to Comtech and all the different assignments you have to do. Plus, hopefully you learn a little bit about Photoshop, InDesign, all the kind of cool tutorials that we're going to do throughout the year. If you're not part of my class, it'll be great. You can still learn lots with us at the same time. So have fun, have a blast. Talk to you soon.